Welcome to Agro with Travel YouTube channel. This video is an introduction to the basic steps of soyabean cultivation. This video taken with a drone camara. Soybean seeding, like any agricultural practice, requires careful planning and execution to ensure a successful crop. Here's a general overview of the process. Selecting the right variety. Farmers choose soybean varieties based on factors like climate, soil type, pest and disease resistance, and market demand. Field preparation. Before seeding, the field needs to be properly prepared. This may involve ploughing, harrowing, and leveling the land to create a suitable seed bed. Timing. Soybeans are typically planted in the spring when soil temperatures reach around 55 degrees, 13 degrees Celsius, or higher, depending on the region. Planting too early or too late can result in poor germination and yield. Seeding equipment. Farmers use various types of seeding equipment such as drills, planters, or air seeders to plant soybeans. These machines ensure accurate seed placement and spacing. Seed rate and depth. The recommended seeding rate for soybeans varies depending on factors like row spacing, soil type, and yield goals. Generally, soybeans are planted at a depth of around 1 to 1.5 inches, 2.5 to 3.8 centimeters. Row spacing. Row spacing also varies, but common spacings range from 7.5 to 30 inches, 19 to 76 centimeters. Narrower rows can help maximize yield by increasing plant density and canopy closure. Soil moisture. Adequate soil moisture is crucial for germination and early plant growth. If soil moisture is insufficient, farmers may need to delay planting or consider irrigation. Seed treatment. Some farmers opt for seed treatment with fungicides or insecticides to protect against soil-borne diseases and pests. Post-planting care. After seeding, farmers monitor the crop closely for emergence and address any issues such as weeds, pests, or nutrient deficiencies. Harvest preparation. Throughout the growing season, farmers prepare for harvest by managing weeds, pests, and diseases, as well as ensuring proper nutrient management. Overall, successful soybean seeding involves a combination of careful planning, proper equipment, and timely execution to optimize yield potential and ensure a healthy crop.